Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about what is encapsulation principle. Encapsulation is the process of binding or wrapping the data and the code that operates on the data into a single entity. This keeps the data safe from outside interface and misuse. One way to think about encapsulation is a protective wrapper that prevents code and data from being arbitrarily accessed by other code defined outside the wrapper. It's up to the here, for example, I have account balance. We have to mark this as a private. You should never mark as public, because accidentally if someone changes this value, it will make a mess in your application. So never ever make it as a public. It should always be private, and that means it is visible within the class. So if someone wants to set a value, they have to call this method setters and getters. So when they set it, we can validate here whether who is setting it, whether it's a valid user and valid value. For example, if they set -1, we will check internally. We have the complete control. Before setting, we have the complete control in this method. So we will validate it, minimum maximum value, and who is setting it, what purpose, everything we can do, because once they call this method, we have this class has the complete control whether we should set the database, set this value or not. And one more point is where we are going to set. Are we going to write in a property file or in a database or just in a memory? So we have the complete control. If we mark this as public, we don't have any control. Anyone can set it any illegal value. But once we encapsulate this value in a method, we have the complete control. And one more point is get balance. Again, reading the value, it's up to the application logic to read from database, file or remote server. This will help not to break the contract. If currently the customer is saying I want to read from database, and in few months later they are saying I want to read from a different server, third-party server, so this contract will not be breaking because our logic will be added here. So this is the purpose of encapsulation. Encapsulation means protecting the data in our application. Hope this video is useful. Thank you and all the best.